My name is Anne. I come from England.
My name is Clive and I'm her husband from England.
We like the camp here very much. It's wonderful. Great welcome. Perfect.
Yes, and it has facilities which we need, and it's so near the park that we feel that we can go in and out whenever we need to and want to.
My name's Mary. Hello.
I'm Manuel. This is Alma and this is Vega. It's really amazing. Yeah, we are so surprised that we found a place like this, and everything's there, and it's a beautiful park next to it, and it's free. That was really a big surprise. We just wanted to stay for one day, and it was so great that we stayed another day. And now we have to leave, unfortunately.